How to fix laptop not connecting to Wi-Fi when other devices can. Method 1. Forget your Wi-Fi network and reconnect. Right-click the Start menu button and select Settings. Select the Network and Internet panel and click Wi-Fi. Click Manage Known Networks. Click the Forget button next to your Wi-Fi network. Return to the Wi-Fi settings panel and click Show Available Networks. Click on your Wi-Fi network and click Connect. Enter the network security key and click Next. Method 2. Run the Network and Internet Troubleshooter. Right-click the Start menu button and select Settings. Select the System panel, scroll down, and click Troubleshoot. Then, select Other Troubleshooters. Run the Network and Internet Troubleshooter. Method 3. Modify Internet Protocol version 4 properties. Hold down Windows plus R keys to open Run. Type ncpa.cpl in the Run dialog, and click OK. In the Network Connections window, right-click your Wi-Fi network adapter, and click Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4 and click Properties. If the settings were previously modified, tick the Obtain an IP address automatically option. Then, tick Obtain DNS server address automatically. Click OK to save the settings, and restart your PC. Method 4. Restart the network setup service. Hold down Windows plus R keys to open Run. Type services.msc in the Run dialog, and click OK. In the Services window, scroll down, and find Network Setup Service. Right-click Network Setup Service, and click Properties. Open the Startup Type drop-down menu, and select Automatic. Click Start under the Service Status section. Then, select the Recovery tab. Open the First Failure drop-down menu, and select Restart the service. Click Apply, and click OK. Method 5. Reset TCP/IP settings and flush DNS cache. Hold down Windows plus R keys to open Run. Type CMD in the Run dialog, and hold down Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter keys to open Command Prompt as an administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type in the commands shown on the screen, and press the Enter key after typing each one. Close the command prompt, and restart your PC. Method 6. Change network adapter bandwidth. Right-click the Start menu button, and select Device Manager. In the Device Manager window, expand the Network Adapters list, and find your Wi-Fi adapter. Right-click your Wi-Fi network adapter, and click Properties. In the Properties window, select the Advanced tab. In the Properties section, select the 802.11n channel width for 2.4 GHz option. Open the Value context menu, and select 20 MHz only. You may also want to modify your adapter's power settings. Select the Power Management tab. Uncheck the Allow Computer to Turn Off Device to Save Power option. Click OK to save the settings. Method 7. Reinstall the network adapter driver. Right-click the Start menu button, and select Device Manager. In the Device Manager window, expand the network adapters list, and find your Wi-Fi adapter. Try to disable and re-enable your Wi-Fi adapter first. Right-click your Wi-Fi adapter, and click Disable Device. Click Yes when prompted. Right-click the adapter again, and click Enable Device. If disabling and re-enabling the adapter didn't fix the issue, right-click your Wi-Fi network adapter, and click Uninstall Device. Mark the attempt to remove the driver for this device checkbox, and click Uninstall. Close the Device Manager and restart your PC. After the restart, your PC will automatically install the locally stored driver for your network adapter automatically. Hopefully, this video provided you with the information you were looking for. If you're using a Windows computer, we suggest scanning it with Combo Cleaner. Combo Cleaner's real-time anti-malware scanner will stop malware from gaining a foothold on your PC. Anti-ransomware protection will protect your most precious files against being encrypted by ransomware. Combo Cleaner's web browsing protection will block scams, malicious websites, and downloads. Also, Combo Cleaner's Duplicate File Finder and Big Files Finder will help you clean up your PC and save gigabytes of valuable disk space. Don't let malware wreak havoc on your computer. Download Combo Cleaner today. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel